Like all Cruise floor plans, GT Cruise features both double corner benches up front and a grand corner seating area in the stern. And yes, all the furniture is made with durable Matrix 50 seat covering. But what makes the GT Cruise floor plan so special are the 2 rear sun decks that can be used to house the privacy station, more storage, or both. All GT Cruise models come with a Cadet 2 Rotocast helm stand, a powerful Fusion stereo system, and the ability to personalize everything from the type and color of your flooring to power performance packages up to 400 horsepower. With Tahoe GT Cruise, you'll be, like the song says, cruising on a Sunday afternoon every day of the year. GT highlight features include a Cadet 2 helm stand with full gauge cluster and cup holder, a bronze light stereo system featuring a Fusion stereo with 2 speakers, color match seat frame cladding, Matrix 50 furnishings, and easy to clean external smooth wall panels.